Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a zombie cocktail. We'll dive into the fascinating history and intricate layers of this famous tiki drink. Get ready to explore the essential ingredients, precise measurements, and expert mixing techniques needed to craft your very own perfect zombie. It's a truly unique and powerful cocktail, so let's get started on this exciting journey. To begin, gather your spirits and mixers. You'll need 1½ ounces of golden rum, 1 ounce of white rum, and 1/2 ounce of 151 proof rum for that signature float. For the vibrant flavors, have 1 ounce of pineapple juice and 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice ready. Don't forget 1 ounce of passion fruit syrup, 1/2 ounce of grenadine, and a dash of aromatic Angostura bitters to complete the profile. Now let's mix this potent elixir. In a cocktail shaker, combine your golden rum, white rum, pineapple juice, lime juice, passion fruit syrup, grenadine, and Angostura bitters. Fill the shaker with plenty of ice and shake vigorously for about 30 seconds until it's thoroughly chilled. Strain this vibrant mixture into a tall glass or a tiki mug filled with fresh ice. Finally, carefully float the 151 proof rum over the top. To complete your masterpiece, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh mint sprig and a maraschino cherry are classic choices, or you could use an orange slice or pineapple wedge for an extra tropical touch. Serve your zombie cocktail immediately to enjoy its refreshing chill and intricate flavors. This is a strong drink, so please remember to sip and savor responsibly. Cheers to your perfectly crafted zombie.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.